Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Setmore and whether or not it sends reminders. I've been using Setmore for a few months now, and I've been really impressed with it. It's a great scheduling and booking platform that's perfect for small businesses and entrepreneurs. One of the things I like most about Setmore is that it sends reminders to both you and your clients. This is a great way to make sure that everyone knows about upcoming appointments. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up reminders in Setmore. I'll also discuss some of the benefits of using reminders. So, let's get started. How to set up reminders in Setmore. Log in to your Setmore account. Click on the Settings tab. Click on the Reminders tab. Enable the Send Email Reminders option. Choose the frequency of your reminders. Click on the Save button. Once you've set up reminders, Setmore will send an email to both you and your clients the day before their appointment. The email will include the appointment details, as well as a link to the appointment confirmation page. Benefits of using reminders. There are a number of benefits to using reminders in Setmore. Here are a few of the most important. Reduces no-shows. Reminders can help to reduce the number of no-shows. When people know that they have an appointment coming up, they're more likely to show up. Improves customer satisfaction. Customers appreciate it when you remind them about their appointments. It shows that you care about their time and that you want to make sure that they have a good experience. Saves time. Reminders can save you time by eliminating the need to manually contact your clients about their appointments. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using reminders in Setmore. You can customize the text of your reminders. You can send reminders for different types of appointments, such as consultations, meetings, and classes. You can set up reminders for different time intervals, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Setmore is a great tool for scheduling and booking appointments. It's easy to use and it has a number of features that can help you save time and improve your customer satisfaction. If you're looking for a scheduling and booking platform that sends reminders, I highly recommend Setmore. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.